needs it. Gets it!
And she got it.
Flat 7, no more.
You got 1 seed Maryville, 2 seed Newman battling it out. Are you surprised?
I'm not surprised.
I'm not surprised at all.
I say, am I surprised that they're bowling high scores right now? With the talent that these two teams have, not really. But this is a great match so far. And right now, I can tell you this, the Jets are knocking on the door. 10-pin there for Bartelt. And if I'm the Maryville Saints right now, in particular with Cavender and Bartlett, what adjustments am I thinking about making?
Absolutely, right? And so, honestly, it's getting the ball to the pocket, continuing to get information. I mean, you know, she made a great shot, right? And so I would tell her just to do it again, right? She maybe make a small adjustment, even with her fingers, but I wouldn't stay away from where she's at.
Going after the 10-pin.
Yes, that's how you pick up a 10-pin.
That's how you make it. So Natalie Heltney to close out the 6th frame for Maryville. And if I remember correctly, Heltney's game in the traditional team portion of the match yesterday against Lewis, I believe it was a 203. She could strike out for 243 if she throws the last 7 strikes of this game. Long ways away from that. It starts with 1, but she will not find it. Good break right there indeed. That could have been a split, but the 4 goes late, leaving just the 9-pin.
She got a break there. You know, she's a little bit further right than some of the players, so she's playing a little bit more out of the corner. And so definitely understand why she left that 9-pin, so a slight adjustment on her end, maybe taking it a board left, will help her square up at the pocket.
Heltney going after the 9-pin to close out the 6th. And the tide of this match has turned into Newman's favor, despite Maryville still having the lead right now at what is right now 42 pins. If everybody from Newman is working on a strike, watch out, Maryville.
Maryville's definitely going to need to get something figured out here. And, you know, anytime you have a team like this, like Newman, throwing strikes, putting on pressure, right, it sends off the alarms to say, hey, not only do we need to hit the pocket, but we got to figure out how to carry real quick.
Real quickly, I want to give a special congratulations to the 2 coaches of Maryville, Lauren and Matt Russo. They got married last summer. Want to congratulate them. We also want to wish her husband, Matt, luck. He is leaving after this morning session for the airport. He's going to fly to Las Vegas for the USBC Nationals.
Oh, my goodness.
The USBC Masters.
Yes.
I apologize.
I was going to say, yes.
Now the Nationals was talked to me about by a friend of mine who is here.
Yep.
Going to go for the USBC Masters title along with Lauren Russo's brother, Nick Pate. We want to wish them both luck next week.
There she goes.
Cavender.
She's waited 5 frames for that.
She's waited 5 frames for this indeed. I don't know what adjustment she made. It wasn't a ball change. Maybe it was a line change. Just enough for the 7 to send it tumbling down.
Yeah, I saw her getting the ball moving a little bit late behind her, and so she got that one in front of her, got it down the lane. It was a clean shot.
Kinsley Morris, meanwhile, left the head pin by itself. And see you later.
You know, I think Morris has a great game. On a pattern like this, she's either in or out. If she's in the pocket, it's all day.
Hannah Maxwell, 7th frame. Looks good. It should get paid.
There she
Boom!
goes. There she goes. That 6th frame, I think, was a fluke.
And I want you to pay attention to Maxwell's setup the next time up. And I say that
Yeah.
because her setup helps her throw the ball like this. And when she's healthy and she has a good line, she does a lot of shots like this. How about Scott coming in high and leaves the BB split, 310. 10-pin won't fall.
Yeah, I think on that shot she was a little bit slower than some of her previous ones, so you saw the ball kind of float and get more of that high roll across the head pin.
Morgan Brunner, the freshman of the year, looking to go 3 for 3. Crossing over Brooklyn strike.
Hey, and that, you know, in bowling, you know, if you got good ball roll like that, take it, right? We always talk about, you know, take those Brooklyns, nothing to be ashamed of, especially in a championship match like this. Knock them down.
Your opponents may hate it, but take it.
That's right.
310 baby split. Well
she
done.
did it.
That's how you make the baby split.
I mean, if you stood up the 7-pin, right, she would have converted that too.
No, I wouldn't have gotten over far enough. But this is how you make it. Get the ball in between.
Oh, it was close.
Get the ball